Guys, shall be careful. Be careful anywhere you dey. Shall be careful because a lot of things dey happen now. Just imagine what they did to this guy. Just imagine. Imagine. Now him friends do this thing to us. So just imagine. Guys, just watch. Just watch. See what they did to this guy. Be careful wherever you are. Be careful. A lot of things are happening. Gosh. What kind of God? Just dey look, God. Man, but people they not just get human sympathy. God, what is this? Hey God, just dey watch. Be careful. Mind the people you call your friends. What is this now? What is this? Just dey watch. The heading go shock you. Just watch.